Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Ever Best Arabic Advisor. We have started the series of learning similar sounding Arabic alphabets. Today is the last lesson of this series. If you have not watched all the previous videos, do watch it. That link you will find in the description and also in the I buttons, because it's very important to learn the difference between the similar sounds. Otherwise, you may confuse and you can't be pro. Here I today we'll discuss two, two new letters, Hamza and Mad. Mad. Hamza and Mad both have a sound, but what is the difference I will discuss in this video. So do watch until the end so you learn the difference clearly. Hamza have a sound, but it's straight. Just like Ameen, Alam, Makkal. You see, the sound is straight, but with mud, it makes a mud sound, soft and round. Ameen, Alam, Makkal. You see, Ameen, Alam, Makkal. Soft and long sound. It's Alam, Makkal. This is the difference, but we will learn it through the words and also through the meanings. The word Ameen means safe and secure. Ameen. It's a word which is to say yes, of course. Ameen. Al is definite article the. Just like the in English, al in Arabic. Al. And al is a family. Family. Al. Alam is pain. Alam. And alam, pains. You can say plural. Alam, pains. Singular, plural. And it's article to, that means an on time moment. Makal, food. Makal, food, but plural. It's plural, it's singular. Same, pain is singular. Alam is plural. So, Hamza and Mad make the difference in the meanings. There's very few examples in the Holy Quran of all this, but al was used many times. Al was used in many times, just like da in English, and al we use it with the very any pronoun to make it important. Al Kitab, Al Quran, and but the rest al is a family which is used, but not so much. And Ameen rarely used. But rest of the words you can see singular and the plural. Do make the note if you want to be pro, and you can find this all content on my site. I will give the link of the site and the page in my description box. See you then inshallah with a new series. Assalamu alaikum.